this video, I am going to talk about how can you download Leonardo AI into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Leonardo AI, you just simply have to go into your Play Store application. And after going into Play Store, just simply go over Search tab, and into the Search tab, just simply search for Leonardo AI into here. And after searching Leonardo AI, you will get to see this application called Leonardo.ai image generator. Just simply tap to the application and open it. And after doing this much, you will directly get this option of install in here. Now you just simply have to tap to install button, and after doing this much, your Leonardo AI application will successfully be downloaded into your device depending on your internet connection speed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.